Today, I'm sharing some of the amazing new items you can choose for your summer box. This is all about customization number 3, so make sure you stick around to the end because I have a code that's gonna help you save some money on your box. Let's get started. This is the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. Let's open it so I can show it to you. Okay, the fun thing is that actually it has little ridges on it like this in rubber, and it matches the packaging, which is really cute. This is an award-winning everyday mascara that lifts, lengthens, curls, and adds volume. I am wearing it right now. I'm gonna show you the brush. It has curved bristles. So if you see, it's kind of has this little hook shape. Every season I pick the mascara in the box because actually, I don't know if you know this, but I Googled it and you are supposed to get a new mascara every 3 months. So that works out perfectly. I had the Better Than Sex mascara in the fall. I had the Honest Beauty mascara in the spring. And now I have this one for summer. Here we have the Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Body Butter. This is a richer version of a body moisturizer with a gradual self-tanner. It's fast absorbing, it's non-greasy. The great thing about it is that it has color correcting properties in it, so this is gonna help combat redness as well as giving you a really nice tan. It has micropigments in it that gives you a really nice dewy look for summer. You apply this in place of a moisturizer and then you wash your hands after use. I'm excited, I'm gonna bring this home the next time I go see my mom. I think she's gonna love it and it's gonna be a perfect summer trick for both of us. You wanna see how it opens? This is really fun. You go like this, and then you go like this and you squeeze it. Ah, there it is. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. So it really just looks like lotion, but shiny lotion. And it smells, what does it smell like? You tell me. No, just kidding. I wouldn't say that the scent is really too overpowering or strong. It's really, really, really shiny. I think that's really hot. I think I'm gonna really put this on like, oh my God, imagine if you put it like on your upper chest and like your little bone here is just really like, that's what I'm gonna do. Here we have the Sunnylife Pool Ring in the color Gold Disco. Please note, this is not a life-saving device, but it is a vibe-saving device. I love it. It has gold flakes in the inside of it. Let's see, you know what? Watch this. Whoa! Movie magic, folks. Whoa, do you see the gold? Did I break the boom mic? Okay, imagine me just like this, but in a pool, and how happy I would be. I'm happy now, but think of how happy I would be later if I had a margarita in this hand, and what would be in my other hand? Maybe the aux cord, that's it. It's great for bachelorettes, parties, family functions. If you're sad and you just wanna have this and sit at your desk like this and pretend to be at the pool, it packages up to, oh, let's see, this size again, so I can put it in even a carry-on bag and bring it wherever my summer may take me. This is the Volition Strawberry Sea Brightening Serum. My best friend Lizzie is allergic to strawberries. Lizzie, don't choose this in customization. Let's smell it. Oh, I got it on my nose. It's a little bit sticky. Which would be good, I think, under makeup. You cleanse your skin, you tone your skin. You're gonna use a pea-sized amount of this strawberry serum, listen to all these vegetables, in your face, neck, décolletage. I know a strawberry is not a vegetable, but a pea is. Okay, you could use it day and night. It adds a dewy glow shine with a plumping effect. Look at this hand. Have you ever seen a more beautiful, dewy hand? You really don't need any more than just this little bit, and so it's gonna last you for a really long time. I keep putting it on. It's just really fun. This is the Swig Stemless Wine Cup in Shimmer Rose Gold. It fits perfectly in my hands, just like this. It holds up to 12 ounces, and it keeps drinks cold for 9 hours and hot for 3 hours. And I love that it has a lid so that you don't spill. It is condensation free and it is non-breakable. Watch me. No, just kidding. I won't throw it. The bottom is scratch free and it is a little bit silent. It's a little bit secret. because it has the silicone base, so I can just keep drinking and putting it down and drinking and putting it down, and no one will know. It is great for drinking wine by the pool because there's nothing to break here. My summer drink is gonna be orange wine or a Dirty Shirley, and I am really excited to just have this and sip on it poolside or wherever my summer may take me. What is gonna be your summer drink? Do you know yet? Have you thought about it? Let me know in the comments below. This is a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles, it boosts and enhances skin tone and texture. The way that you use it is you are going to apply generously to cleanse face, neck, and décolletage, followed by your favorite moisturizer. Let's tell you what it smells like. This is what it looks like. A little bit maybe citrusy. The scent is derived from essential oils. I really like the packaging. It kind of reminds me of space. It has a creamy lotion-like texture, so it's a bit thick, but it isn't heavy, which is really nice. This is the Popsugar Motivational 32-ounce water bottle. I love a list. I love checking things off throughout my day. And this gives you the times throughout the day, so you're supposed to have drank that much water each hour, which I am really bad at meeting my hydration goals. I really just love coffee and tea, which is not doing me any favors. One thing that everyone always says about trying to reduce acne is you're supposed to drink a lot of water. I did have a week-long kick where I was really drinking so much water, and I'm also an actor, and I was in a short film that weekend. The makeup artist, and no one has ever said this to me in my life before, complimented me on my skin. She said, "Oh my gosh, your skin is so hydrated." And this is coming from a makeup artist, you guys. I will never forget that. Ava, thank you. It's really cute, and look at this little strap. Hands-free. Here we have the Elizabeth Stone Mod Bar Studs. I love everything in this category so much, but I know when I customize, these are what I'm picking because I love opal, and this is a lab-created opal. I think that the design is really chic, and it's gonna look really good. I have 2 piercings, so I think that it could look really cute alone or in a little series. The opal and gold combination is really classic. I think it goes with anything. We are all gonna look so classy, so chic in these all summer long. For a full look at all the items you can choose this season, make sure you customize your summer box. Make sure you do it. Please, please do it. And that code that I promised in the beginning is Summer Close-Up. Let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed. I will see you next season. Have a good summer. Bye.